and 4:42, swimming lane 1, City of Tago. Swimmers, the Quincha County, Avery Kings Moladai, Bershami Turao, Jen Rui Vilda. In lane 2, from Albar Province, swimmers, Francesca Faith Bagay, Thea Irish Navia, Laurel Ann Tapang, General Villagas. In lane 3, from City of Santo Tomas, swimmers, Kristen Thea Cruz, Althea Isabel Bautista, Micaela Rain Custodia, Alicia Lauren Bellarmino. In lane 4, from Benguet Province, swimmers, Sarah Jean Tuave, Emilia Janelle Velasgas, Louise Isabel Baucas, and Jasper Santiaten. In lane 5, from City of Davao, swimmers, Margie Covue, Cabico, Isabella Asara, Maron, Luana Elizabeth
Pero may
Delia,
dekad
and
yan si
Sita Alexi
ano,
Lobutan.
lane 4.
In lane 6, from City of Parañaque,
Hindi, kung di mo dyan si Irit, mapalitan kita.
Shane Gabriel Moreno,
Hindi, pataan.
Anya de la Cruz, and Katie Mason Rivera. In lane 7,
Hindi si Irit Gabon.
from Cagayan de Oro, swimmers, Yara Isabel Tabandan, Ezra Shari Mao, Chivo Zeli Pereira, Gianni Abastar. In lane 8,
Habol? Habol, no? Nice. Yan ang gana, 209.